Today I want to show you how you can create this accordion style folded booklet out of one sheet of paper. You're going to need scissors, a glue stick or tape, and then one piece of paper. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is you are going to take your paper and you're going to fold it in half. Line up the corners, hold that down, press, and crease. Once you have that folded, you're going to take it and fold it in half again. And then one more time, you're going to take it, fold it in half, and crease it down. You should be left with a small rectangle like this. Then you're going to unfold the entire piece of paper, and you should be left with 8 rectangles. Once you have those 8 rectangles, you are going to cut across the vertical line that goes down the center of the paper. Don't cut this line, you just want to cut the line going down the center of the paper. Once you have that cut, you should have 2 long strips of paper with 4 rectangles in those strips. Now you're going to turn it sideways and you're going to glue one of your pieces to the other. Take your glue stick and fully cover one of the rectangles with glue. If you don't have a glue stick, tape will work fine. And then you're going to overlap those 2 pieces together. And then when they're lined up, press it firmly together. If you have any extra coming off the side, you can even trim that with your scissors. Now you should be left with one long piece of paper. And the last thing that you need to do is just make sure that the folds are going in the right direction. And you want to make sure that they're going up and down, up and down. So if this first fold is going up, then the next fold should be down. And then up, and then down, up, and then down. Some of the folds will need to be changed from the original that we did when we first folded the paper. Once you know you have all of the folds in the right direction, crease both sides very well, and then you're left with an accordion style folded book. There should be 7 sides for you to create pictures on each of those sides. Once you have your book all folded, you can create a template if you wanted to. For my book that has the moth, I created a template out of a small piece of scrap paper. I traced one of these sides of my book, and then I made my moth cutout so I can trace it on each side of my booklet. Have fun with this project, and I can't wait to see what you guys create with it.